Have you ever wondered why we yawn? Many people think yawning only means you're tired, but that's not the whole story. Scientists believe yawning may help cool the brain, increase alertness, and prepare your body to stay focused. And here's something amazing. Yawning is contagious. Just seeing or even thinking about someone yawning can make you yawn too. Your brain is full of surprises. For more amazing facts, subscribe to Fact Lab.